Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, but here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Tony Cascarino don't come outside and talk say Rashford don't be the right player to take Arsenal forward. You get see, as Arsenal they find person they go sign, they look far and near, far and wide, they check everywhere. Then this Rashford really they show interesting. See, this guy will be the right player for now because Arsenal need a very prolific striker. Striker with the busted, striker with the nose, striker with the nose say that killer in being get killer instincts in front of goal. Then this kind of striker now Arsenal need. Say they no need Marcus Rashford for anything again. Say maybe in the future if Rashford don't reach in peak. Don't they pick very well, don't they play very well ahead if you don't go for him. But no be now if you say Baba they struggle for Manchester United. If they bring them as your Benjamin member, I be one put them on the first level. What is the plan? What are the goals to make Arsenal fashion this guy? Make them move forward. What do you not think now? Say this Rashford will they pursue. Say it makes sense, I mean it don't make sense. At the same time, our monitoring spirits where they call the sun don't come aside and they let us know say for the chase where they pursue Yuri Tillemans for all the clubs in the final, both Newcastle, both Arsenal, both Man U. So now Arsenal now be the favourite. Arsenal now they ahead in the race to sign Yuri Tillemans. And the reason we say Arsenal they for 4th place, you get because Tillemans won't go Champions League. So him they look all the people go end up for top 4 you get. You know they no be join Man U. You know, because Man U go the top 4. They no be join Man City, Liverpool or Chelsea. Those on the top 3 get and even go there. Competition for places could do too much. You know one day for Benjamin. So in the reason all those kind of Man U, Tottenham Hotspur and Arsenal at the same time. But one criteria we say anybody will end up for 4th because the Champions League in one play, you know one play Europa League. So that's the only reason we go make and join Man U. But apart from that, you know they smell all those places. For Tottenham Hotspur, you know they smell her. So that's why we always talk say if we end up for Champions League spots, we go dey very attractive for players who they look to move. Because since every season now, players they swap ship, you get to get more productive for the upcoming season. Well, what they say this season go end because this top 4 race we see like this, you go till the last day of the season. Real Madrid they plan to offer Arsenal £50 million for Kylian Tierney because they don't say this guy now be the person with them need, say them love him, they like the way the guy they play. So they don't talk to them, won't set that money. So now monetary spiritual they record the Sunday Post. Then come outside they let us know say Real Madrid won't buy the guy for that fee and say Arsenal self they ready to sell the guy if the price is right. So we never know whether the price now £50 million or maybe now £100 million. We don't know their own valuation of Kylian Tierney. But all we know is say Real Madrid they plan to offer Arsenal. They don't they prepare and dance. Say at the end of the summer, boom, because that left back and one of the weakest link we then get for Real Madrid because Marcelo don't old. So you know if they rely on Marcelo, you know get pace to burn again. So that Tierney if they give them that option for that left flank. That's why they really say they want time. What do you think? She make Arsenal collect the money if truly the money is right. Then collect time. Though enough options there, but alternatively, a different group of people they feel say Kylian Tierney now go be future Arsenal captain. That the guy is meant for Arsenal. He's a very good Scotsman. So what do you think about this Real Madrid chasing Kylian Tierney deal? How do see am happening? And away from that, our monetary spirit wey they call Football 365 don't come outside. They let us know say Tammy Abraham now Roma ain't go remain again because nobody the reason the matter. This why we say Mourinho they talk say anybody we want time be ready to pay £100 million. So nobody go fit pay that kind of outrageous fee for the guy. So therefore the guy go remain for Roma, which is fine and good. We go look for another person to take strengthen our own attack. So it's good riddance. Then Stan Collymore don't come as I call it back either Manchester United or Tottenham Hotspur for the top 4 race. So back on to say the reason we make pick Man U or Spurs ahead of Arsenal. Don't be say Arsenal no good though. Say Arsenal good, but you see that 10 games, see that 11 games will remain. Say it go burn out, it go dey very tough for Arsenal youngsters. You get see they go choke for the last days you get. But another thing we say if them go prove I'm wrong, say maybe they can enter top 4. Say what go do? Say go wear Arsenal jersey with Arteta number 8 for back. They go write Arteta, put number 8 for back. Then go come snap picture, go come post them for social media on the last day. That is if Arsenal prove I'm wrong, go enter that top 4. But on a good day, say what in the see, we say Arsenal will try out their best. But the final lap of the top race challenge, they will come choke. Yes, they will freeze. all those kind of Man U or Tottenham Hotspur will come overtake them. Well, more they watch as it go do, because the kind of determination with these players' body. Don't tell them go Champions League now, and the coaches say with ginger when they give them. Now the coaches don't even need to give them ginger again. They themselves know say, we need to do this for ourselves and for our fans, for our prestige. So now so it go be well, more they watch. Jamie Redknapp self don't come outside, I can't praise Ben White for the way they help England beat Switzerland 2-1. So back on the talk, this Ben White, and say the guy did very, very good, but he need a partner who could be very, very dominant. You see the way Gabriel Magalhaes is showing dominance for that Arsenal back four. We make Ben White second, they play very well. So for him now, say the good as Ben White they play for Arsenal. That's why in the excel, because he plays the role of a sweeper. After Gabriel Magalhaes don't jump up, dominates the area, him go sweep the ball anyway, land, sweep and move, that kind of level. So for England, say he needs somebody with they very, very reliable. Nobody all those kind of Maguire when they play with or Minks. When I look for somebody who go very reliable for us, so that go excel. Our former Chelsea and Scotland winger, wey they call Pat Nevin, don't come as I call the talk say Kieran Tierney did very, very amazing. You get say the guy an amazing Scotsman, and they were also making choose between Kieran Tierney and Andy Robertson. So you go choose Kieran Tierney any day, anytime, because the guy gets very, very good overall play. So the guy did very good. And say this guy, as in good routine, can play for any team in the world, any team at all. We call and say, okay, we need left back, we go there and go slotting, go take number one, nothing go happen. You get the guy the praise and very well. So no wonder we Real Madrid gonna find Kieran Tierney say they want to use and make him play left back for them. Well, wish him all the best of luck if Arsenal will say they won't sell him. But I think his contract runs till 2026. So if they don't want to sell himself, it's still a good one. But now I don't say Real Madrid come knocking. A very, very big temptation for young stars like Kieran Tierney. We never know how it will stop. Shamo they watch. My monetary spirits where they call the Sun don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal and West Ham they on red alerts. As Everton don't come outside, come admit say yes, they go like to sell Dominic Calvert-Lewin at the end of the summer for this season. Once this season not end now, see that they're willing to sell him. So Arsenal they on red alerts, West Ham they on red alerts. But they say Newcastle self they scam the matter with open hands. They know they scam, they know how it go be. Say Lampard self they find he won't buy Luka Jovic. Either him buy him or him take him on loan. So that will create space for that Dominic Calvert-Lewin. So they won't use and raise revenue, generate revenue. They go take pursue some other targets. So that kind of tax 40 million pounds will take okay for them. At most 50 million pounds. I say this guy a British player. Now he be the heir to the throne of Harry Kane. So many things they saw for this place. So many people talk say Sanchez we too like this Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Nobody say the guy that one kind spectacular player like saying too good like that to ball. What make me just like I say in the Everton and in the Boston. Everton a small team now. So compare say if you go for Arsenal with a great chance for him, how you gonna be? You get now life na risk. You no take risk, I go know whether the player go shine or you no go shine. Pepe once upon a time na risk, we try am 17 million pounds, you no work well, fine. That's what it just be. Odegaard na risk, we try am, e dey work fine. Abi life na risk. Tammy Abraham, when nobody don't buy him, Arsenal they look say the guy go dey very risky. That we no fit sign, I no go fit score plenty. ISIS go dey for Benjamin. Roma don't come carry, I don't go there. They gonna pay dividend, they give them return on investments, they play very well. Life na risk, so we no try am. Because me, I dey look say no go buy somebody from outside when he come now. The first excuse wey go hear be say he's still trying to adapt, it's still adaptation phase, acclimatization, you go hear all those kinds of things. But you know if you sign Dominic, you gonna hear acclimatize. We don't want acclimatize for, but don't dey for EPL for a very long time. You understand how EPL dey run. So that's why I dey always root for am. Don't be say any other special thing dey involved. Even the Daily Mail self don't come outside. They let us know say Ainsley Maitland-Niles they likely to leave Arsenal this summer. Whether Roma buy him or Roma no buy him, say Arsenal they ready to sell him. You get the reason say the guy has surplus to requirements. And fringe player MB say since we know they good enough, and the guy self could make him pursue that right back. If say he could pursue that right back for Arsenal, he will get him. If for big to me has to deputy get, or at least he will be one of the 3 right backs to get. But no. Barcelona midfield don't play. Okay, midfield. You don't go Roma now. Now for right back they play you. How many times you play midfield? Now, right back now. Even the right back say you are not good enough now. You need Benjamin there. Just go spoil your career. I just pity for the guy, sha. Many reports don't come outside. They let us know say the reason we make Ancelotti take see Kieran Tierney. Say no be say na Kieran Tierney they fine goal. Say Ancelotti send their scouts they call Juni Selifat may go assess Bukayo Saka. See now Bukayo Saka the one scam, now the one know I enter the play. Then in the process, Selifat can't see Kerianten, the way the guy they bomb up and down, not tiring, you know, the energy, the stamina, the way the guy they play. So the guy can't be very, very excited, can't go back to him and they can't tell answer to say, but I still one guy you, the guy I left by, the guy they play very well for us now. You will love this guy, can't show on the clips, you know, show on the video footage to see where the guy they play. So Ancelotti can't see him, can't like him. That's why I can't sanction the move. Say this guy will be one of their priority signings, at least to plug their gap for left back. So that's how yesterday they prepare £15 million. So they left for Arsenal to say okay, the money is okay or the money is not okay, and at the same time they left for Kerianten to say okay, I don't want to move or I want to move. So now so it will be the thing there between Arsenal and CNE. Arsenal say okay, want to sell. CNE will say but I don't want to go now. I still want to stay with you guys. And don't be say Arsenal they beg for money or they find money. Money they get. So we know they pressured to sell our prized assets. Real Madrid self at the same time they're going to prepare Eden Hazard, so they won't send the guy out on loan next season. So all those guys, Arsenal, Newcastle, they scamp the matter because Arsenal said they're interested in carrying Hazard. The first choice of the destination waiting for one goal at Chelsea, but after all this Abramovich brouhaha about this Ukraine war, so the guy no reason that place again. So now Arsenal handed it because this Hazard, the guy don't miss more than 70 something matches, and so he make him move. This guy come up for Chelsea for 2019 for £135 million. He got to earn £240,000 per week. Yet you know they give them good return on that investment because injury just won't kill the career. I don't just understand. EPL will be say just stronger than La Liga. Injury don't finish your career. You were once a goat. They rule the EPL. Now you can't go for Real Madrid. Where they feel say okay, you will be one of the Galacticos. Can't go there. Injury just ravage the guy career. So the guy is trying to salvage his remaining career by coming to England back again, where he was once feared again as a marksman, as a hunter, really fire anything. Well, I don't know whether Arsenal will land them. I've been any other club will land them. More the watcher. So if you not watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all Arsenal news as they drop all over the world. Yesterday news and today news might not be the same. So if you not watch, I make you check and I make get updated as things they up. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy this new week when they come like this and all your heart desires will be fulfilled. So I get out.